has a long tail. And it eats predators like mga insect like a fly or insect like that. And this one, what is this?
Piranha.
A piranha. Is it a piranha? So this is a piranha. So when you put your hand in the piranha, it's gonna bite you like like that. And it's gonna when this bites you, it's gonna hurt. And then
I don't like piranha.
yes, you don't like piranha because
It's like a fish.
yeah, it's like a normal fish, but when you put your hand in the water and the piranha when the piranha sees you, it's gonna bite you.
I don't like
It looks like
piranha.
Yeah, it looks like a normal fish, but it's a piranha that eats some like food. So what is this?
What is that?
I don't know. But what's this?
Ano ka ba?
Armadillo.
Armadillo.
Oh, this is a
Armadillo.
it's a armadillo. So this is like a hamster. It's like a hamster, but it has a long tail, and it also have like ears and this shell.
It's like an arm.
Yes, and it has like this shell on the back. It's like a turtle, and here it has like a nose of a pig,
Yes.
and it eats grass like a sheep.
Yes.
So its ears, it's very like what's that again? A duck, like that, like a duck. And the nose is like a pig, and the back of it's like a turtle. It's like the turtle's back, and the tail is very very long. Yeah, it's very long, and it's like other animals. Mga different animals, like it eats people or animals.
It's like a dinosaur.
Yeah, but you can pet it a little bit because if you pet it very very hard, it's gonna bite you.
I don't like to pet it.
You should pet it gently only, because if you pet it very very hard, it's gonna bite you and you're gonna have like a rabies.
Yes,
Okay.
like dog.
Oh. Now we're gonna learn about this. What is this?
Anaconda.
Anaconda. How about this?
Iguana.
Iguana. How about this?
I don't know.
Ito na.
Piranha.
Rana. Oh. And these animals are from South America. These animals are from South America, so you're gonna color them like in the picture. So here you're gonna color this snake like black, okay? And it has a lot of dots.
We have some greens.
Yes. So you're gonna color it black, and here is the color box.
Where's the brown?
Here's the black. So you're gonna color it black, huh? But don't lock us on the line, because if you lock us on the line, the teacher will be mad. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, you color. Gently lang, gently. Not very hard. Kasi,
Slowly.
yeah, slowly and gently. Take your time.
That one too.
Yeah, that one. The whole body, make it color black, but not the head. Just the body.
This.
Is that okay na?
Yes.
Oh.
How about piranha?
The piranha. What is the color of the piranha?
Orange and gray.
You're right. It's orange and gray. So we need orange and gray.
What's the green orange?
Wait. It's dark. Orange.
There's this.
Orange. That's orange.
How about
And
green?
How about let's just look for gray in my
What's wrong? Red.
here.
water bag?
Yes, I have color gray. Hello, here's the colors. Oh, here. This is the color. So what the color we need?
Gray
Gray.
and orange.
Oh, so this is color gray and orange. Where's orange? Hello.
Not only gray and orange.
Oh. So you color the piranha
Orange.
orange and gray. Oh, first orange, wait lang. First orange over here, and then gray all over the place. Okay. Take your time. How you do like the this one?
No, Dad.
Or you take your time. Sige na, color na. No. First, you should do this over here. And then, you will, sige, I will do the tail muna and then you will do the whole body. Oh. Like that. You should take your time, not hindi like this. Okay? Oh, now gray. You take your time. Take your time. Slowly now, slowly.
I'm slowly.
Yes, slowly. Like how ate did in the table.
Neck
The neck.
and the chin.
The chin. The neck and the chin you color din. Because
Done.
oh, very good. Wait lang. There's more pa. You need to color. Like that. Gaben? Like that. Oh, like that. Oh, next one. How about this one?
Iguana.
Iguana. So what is the color of the iguana?
Green.
Green. And the tail is yellow. So we need green and yellow. Green and yellow. Green and yellow. Oh, so I will color the tail yellow and you will color the body green. Okay? We're gonna color the body green. First, me first.
Okay.
Wait, there's two yellows. Nah.
Wait. Yeah. Wait. Ayaw.
Oh, you are na.
Okay.
You color the body green.
I'm done.
Oh, there's more pa sa gilid.
I'm done.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Very good.
Very cool. What is that?
It's a statues.
Why do you rock?
Because they are made of rock, but they're statues. How about this? What is the color of that? The animal. What is the color of this animal?
That is gray.
Gray?
Armadillo.
What
Armadillo.
is the color of armadillo?
I don't like armadillo. He's biting.
Yes. But what is the color?
Gray.
Gray?
Yes. Where's
Uh,
the gray?
Oh, here is gray.
Ugly.
You color this gray. Oh. Oh. So, what is this again?
Anaconda.
Anaconda. How about this?
Iguana.
This.
Piranha. Armadillo.
Armadillo. So, these are the statues. Ito, these are the mga parang houses.
What city? Machu Picchu.
Huh?
Yes, it's right. It's Machu Picchu.
Inca
In
City.
Mexico.
Inca City, Machu Picchu.
Inca City of Machu Picchu. Very
Ah.
good.
Very good.
I know Inca City and Machu Picchu.
Oh, so here it's like a village, but it's like like a village, and it looks like a castle.
It's like our house.
Yes. How about this one?
Esther Island.
It's the island.
Yes. How about this one?
It's like a mountain.
A mountain.
Inca City.
Machu
City.
Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
Oh, here, mga people na ito. What are these people called?
I don't know.
Kenyan.
Kenyan.
Oh, these people are called
Kenyan.
Kenyan.
They don't like snakes
Yeah. So these people, they don't have clothes.
or baby food.
Yeah, they don't have food because maybe the people attack them. And look, oh, they don't have hair because maybe their hair was gone. Only them might they only have kunti hair because maybe they're they don't have hair because they took it. But look, oh, they don't have clothes and they're colored brown.
Maybe a football.
Yeah, they are color brown and they don't have clothes. They
Or
just,
baby dessert.
yeah, they don't have
Or baby chocolate.
yeah, they don't have clothes. They don't have clothes, so they use their kumot to make them clothes. Like only this, they have clothes, but not like us. We have some clothes.
Yes.